What are you looking for? Huh? Ah, I need that. What are you looking for, Dragon? Oh! I take it you don't like cluttered tables. Oh. You found the you want to try the chopsticks? Huh? You want chopsticks? Oh! I think that's a yes. All right, let me get them. Let me get them. Hey. Chopstick? Huh? There you go. Oh, you want the pin? Alright. Alright. Let's see if I can find the other one. Let me get it. There. Your stick.
It's a light anti-tank weapon. It's like friendly fire. Gibbs. Actually, we asked you to come down here for another.
I think you got a new toy. Looks like I wanted to get extra chopsticks when I get Chinese or go for Diane's Thai food. Yeah? There he goes. Ugh. Napkins.
Look, we understand the situation and we just want to help. Can't back your play if we don't know what it is.
Oh yeah, he's gonna be entertained for a while.